everybody, Jeremiah back with another video. And today we are with nobody. I'm just gonna get bored using fidget spinners. So that's why we've got two more. 1, 2. These two are the same. At least. And then yeah. So I'm just gonna see who's the strongest, fastest, and the slowest. Let's go. First up, this one versus this one. These two. Axe versus me.
This is how it looks. First, just something to it.
Dude,
yeah.
That is
I got
awesome.
6 subscribers.
I'm just. Okay, so yeah, we are still doing it. Fidget spinner. Let's see who is the fastest. So this blue one looks kind of fast, but not that fast. Next one. This one looks kind of fast, but not that fast. Let's see who's the real fast. This one's not even fast. So the winner of the fastest is the blue one. The blue one is the fastest. Let's see who's the slowest. This one's kind of slow, kind of fast, but everybody knows this is the fastest. So it's these two versus each other. So now the real slowest is, I can't believe it guys, but it's this one. The medium fastest is this one. So these two are the fastest. Mine is the real fast, medium fast, strongest. So bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, put notifications on, and hit save. And goodbye.